Hello guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this video lecture, I would like to guide you about grade of concrete and water cement ratio. As you know, we have different grades of concrete and different grades of concrete are using for different construction works, if that is residential building or commercial building. So therefore, watch this video till the end to know about grade of concrete and details also with water cement ratio. If you have any question related to this video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. First of all, I will tell you what is concrete. I know most of the students, they know what is concrete and what is grade of concrete, but I will guide you in detail. So first of all, what is concrete? Concrete is a mixture of cement. These are four materials, okay? Cement plus sand plus aggregate or crush plus water. When we add these material with each other, so this is called concrete. And concrete we are using for foundation, beam, column, slab, etc. If that is residential building or commercial building. Also we are providing reinforcement, okay, to increase the strength of concrete. So reinforcement means steel bars to increase the strength of concrete or increase the strength of structure, okay? So this is concrete. As you know, we have different grades of concrete and different grades of concrete are using for different RCC works. If that is foundation, beam, column, slab, it's depend on the structure load. According to the structure load, we are taking the different grades of concrete, so you can select any one of them. So we have M5, M7.5, M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, M35, M40, etc. Okay. So now what is M5 or what is M20? Okay. So what is M20? So here guys, remember, here we have M and 20. Okay. Now in detail, M stand for mix. Okay, concrete mix. And 20 is the characteristic strength of concrete after 28 days. Okay, characteristic strength of concrete after 28 days. So this is the strength of concrete. It means M20 means the strength of concrete after 28 days, we have 20 Newton per mm square. So after 28 days, so strength of concrete in Newton per mm square after 28 days, okay? So this is the strength of concrete. So if we have M5, so for M5 we have 5 Newton per mm square. So its strength is 5 Newton per mm square. If we have M20, so this is 20 Newton per mm square. This is the characteristic strength of concrete, okay? So this is very easy. Now guys, for M5, as I told you before, for M5 we have 1:5:10. So this is for M10. So now what is 1, what is 5, what is 10? So 1 is here cement and 5 is here sand and 10 is here aggregate or crush, okay? So when we add these materials with each other, including water, so we will get 5 Newton per mm square strength of concrete after 28 days. When 28 days completed, we will get this strength, which is 20 or 5. So it's depend on the ratio of concrete. So these are the ratio of concrete. So M20 means 1:1.5:3. So here guys, we have 1 is cement and 1.5 is sand and 3 is aggregate. Okay, it means 1 bag of cement, 1.5 bags of sand and 3 bags are aggregate. If this is wheelbarrow, so 1 wheelbarrow of cement, 1.5 wheelbarrow is sand and 3 wheelbarrows are aggregate. So this is called M20. So when we adding these material, okay, with this ratio, okay, by balance, also by batching, we have two methods. So you will get this strength, which is M20. Okay, so these are grade of concrete. So M25, this is the ratio, 1:1.5. It means 1 bag of cement, 1 bag of sand, and 2 bags of aggregate. M30, so we can take the design mix. So so we will make the calculation for this, then we can get that what is the best material for this. It's depend on the structure load. But normally, guys, remember M20 grade of concrete, especially for residential building or commercial building, we are providing for what? Okay, M20 grade of concrete is using for what? Foundation, beam, and column with slab. So by myself, so when I'm making construction of my clients, so I'm taking the M20, 1:1.5:3. Okay, so this is my ratio for foundation, beam, and column with slab. So I'm also recommending for you people. Now where we are using M5. M5 is normally nail concrete. This is we are using if we have the area and that is irregular, or if there is up and down. So for that, for making the leveling of that soil or that ground, we are providing M5. M7.5, this is also 148. This is nail concrete at the foundation. First of all, with the thickness of 4 or 5 inches, we are providing to make the level of the ground inside the foundation. And also M10 we are using in that, but M20 is also strengthful. This is also very best. Okay, but I am recommending by myself that M20 we are using for normal residential building. So I'm recommending for you people. Next, guys, these are grades of concrete. If you are going for multi-story building, if that is G+5, G+6, so we are selecting this one, especially for foundation. If we are going for mega project, G+10, G+15, so we will do mixed design. Mixed design M30, M35, M40. It's depend on the structure load and total structure load of the different floors. Okay, so it's depend on that. Now, guys, what is water cement ratio? Water cement ratio we are doing by the percentage of water, especially in cement, sand, and aggregate. But I am recommending you guys water cement ratio for normal residential building. You can keep up to from 0.5 to 60. You can take this one. Okay, suppose if the volume of so you can use this volume especially. So the volume of material, if that is M20, M20, M15, M10, so according to that material, you can keep the percentage from 0.5 to 60. Okay, so it's mean you can use for 1 kg. For 1 kg, you can use this ratio from 0.5 to 0.6. Okay, sorry, 0.6. You can take this, the water cement ratio. Don't go more than this, otherwise you will increase the workability. You will increase, if you are adding more water, so you will increase the workability of concrete, but the material will be make segregation, etc. You can't get the proper strength of concrete. Okay, so therefore don't go more than this. So for different grade of concrete, we have different water cement ratio, but just I am guiding you especially for M5, for M15, M20, that you can use this ratio especially for residential building. So hope this short video can help you what is grade of concrete, different grades of concrete, what is its characteristic strength of concrete. So remember one thing, that how we can find the characteristic strength of concrete. In the cylinder, which size is this is a box, and the box size you can keep 6 inches by 6 inches, or you can say 150 mm by 150 mm by 150 mm. Okay, 6 by 6 by 6 inches. You can take the cube, and that cube you can put the pressure machine in which we can find the total strength of concrete. If that is M20 or M25, so we can find its strength. So if we have the for M20 grade of concrete, when you get the 20 Newton per mm square by that machine practically after 28 days, so it means this is the proper material, and they use the proper material in M20. So hopefully you will get the M20 after 28 days when you do by batching or by balance the material. Okay, then you will get this video. Hope this short video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.